Hi, just a short video to show this Shark Lift Away Nv602ukt vacuum cleaner. So it's in good clean condition. I have cleaned and washed the bin, cleaned the head. The head still has some dirt on the inside, but it is clean. The hose is washed and cleaned, and both the filters are washed and cleaned. It's in perfect working order. Does have used marks from being a second-hand vacuum cleaner. And this is, if you didn't know, a Shark Lift Away one. So you can release the wand, or on here release the bottom to make it more portable. I'll just show it working quickly. I won't do it too much because I don't want to have to clean it again, but I will.